Struggling to mirror your screen for a presentation? Let me show you how it's done, quickly and easily. Screen mirroring can make your presentations much more effective by letting you share your screen in real time. Today, I'll walk you through some simple methods to mirror your screen for a smooth presentation. We'll cover devices and tools that support screen mirroring, like iPhone, Android, Windows, and macOS. And don't worry, we'll look at both wireless and wired options briefly. For iPhone or iPad, use AirPlay to mirror your screen on compatible TVs or projectors. Just swipe down for the control center, tap screen mirroring, and select your device. For Android devices, use the cast option, usually available in the settings. Make sure both your phone and TV or display device are on the same Wi-Fi network. Windows 10 and 11 support screen mirroring through the project option. Use the shortcut Windows plus P and select how you want to project your screen. On a Mac, you can use AirPlay if you have an Apple TV or compatible device, or connect directly with HDMI for reliable mirroring. Troubleshooting common issues can save you a lot of time and frustration. You might encounter problems like connection issues or device compatibility. If that happens, try restarting your devices or checking your network connections. Sometimes, using adapters as a backup can also solve the problem. And hey, if you run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll help you out. Now you're ready to use screen mirroring for your next presentation with confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and tricks.